NAB arrests 8 persons, including chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandil, with contraband drugs estimated to be worth over 27 crore rupees. KSA volunteers and students of NG College, Naranthong, locked up the college against appointment of a non-local as principal of the college. Communist Party of India, Manipur State holds public meeting at Iravat Bhavan today. Party slammed NDA government on various issues. And Manipur Pollution Control Board conducts drive against non-biodegradable plastic in Khairamban market. Confiscate polythene carry bags below 50 micron. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari, bringing you the latest updates. First up, Narcotic Affairs and Border sees heroin number 4 and World is Yours tablet estimated to be worth 27 crore 7 lakhs and 95,000 rupees from 8 persons, including chairman of Chandil Autonomous Council Lukosai Joe. Acting on a tip-off, a team of NAB led by additional SP T.H. Brinda under the supervision of SP NAB Basu seized the illicit drugs during search operation at various areas in Mantribukhi and Lamphel around 5:30 last evening. Addressing media person at NAV office near First Assam Rifles, DIG in charge Them Thing said the team of NAB seized a 200 WY tablet estimated to be worth 2,18,000 rupees from 3 persons, namely Esther Vunghainum, Mung Zhou and Teresa Ngaite during the search operation at Vaipai Veng in Mantribukhi. He said driver of ADC Chandil Lukosai Thengming Lung Zhou was arrested from Rims Gate as disclosed by Esther and Zhou. Temthing said, upon interrogation, the team seized a suitcase containing heroin number 4 and WY tablets from Thengming Lung's residence at Langol Game Village, Zone 1. The DIG in charge further stated that the team also seized 80 WY tablets along with 42 lakh rupees cash from one Lawrence Zhou, a sound recorder at St. Joseph Cathedral Church from Lamlongai, Mantribukhi, as disclosed by Mung Zhou. Tempting intimated that upon interrogation of Lawrence, the team conducted a search operation at a quarter of ADC Chandil, Lukosai Zhou at Lamphel and seized 2 lakh WY tablets. He also stated that the team also seized a pistol with 21 live rounds, 1 SBBL rifle, Honda Activa and all 95,000 rupees and 13 lakh new rupees notes from the ADC's quarter. PRO of the ADC Jamko Hao and Home Guard Minlal Mate were also arrested from the quarter.
It's about heroin total seize. After all this, mapam chika seized propaganda. Seized over heroin powder 4.595 kgs. WY 2,80,200 tablets, weighing about 28 kgs. Cash in cash. Cash to seized over 57 lakhs 18,000 only. Check, passbook, cell phones, weighing machine seized over. It's a government, all-out effort of the government in its commitment on war against drugs. So we are actively still investigating, and hopefully we'll be in a position to unearth the whole kingpin.
Volunteers of Kanglei Park Student Association KSA and students of NG College Naranthong today locked up the gate of the college against the appointment of a non-local as a principal of the college amidst the ILP movement and demand for protection of indigenous people of the state. The volunteers and students stormed the college and went into the principal's room and took out all the documents from the room and locked up all the classrooms. The team also let all the teachers out of the college and left only after closing the gate of the college. Speaking to media person, Vice President of KSA, Vidyananda Sukham, stated that Gopal Chandra Bagh, a non-local, was recruited as the principal of the college by the MPSC in 2017 against the rule. He said the KSA, along with students, have been demanding to appoint a local as the principal of the college for a long time. Vidyananda maintained that they resorted to locking up the college as the government and the authority concerned remained indifferent to their demand and that they will continue to protest until their demand is met.
Education Minister so koi unarakanda masigi phim si wari sanana na ba koi appointment ama pipi nana na ba si thajil lapawa appointment pi dana leiri aduga MPC ke chairman masigi phim si wari sanana na ba koi appointment ama pipi nana na ba si thajil lapawa appointment pi dana leiri aduga MPC ke chairman unaba matam da su mana haiba singa se akoi soi gre madu matung da tawdana na ba loina na haiba miyo se ngasi phaw loktok tana leiba se thong asi lenga amadi MPC na ma koi loktunar kanda niyom na yadba mong khanjin bani haiba hom sin college ki principal Dr. Gopal Chandra Bak haiba si nan Manipuri ma oibe ke mathakta MPC na thokim notification adugi point 4 section 3 violate tawna ma kanda ma se khudok ti loktok tri phawba kongjang se lep tana sanction khigani masira tholba khudimak lenga asina daida pugadabani.
Communist Party of India, Manipur State organized a public meeting at Iravad Bhavan today against the recent hikes in the price of petrol and diesel, with BJP coming to power at the centre, formation of an autonomous Naga Territorial Council and implementation of Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary CPI Manipur State, Laishram Sotin Kumar, criticized the BJP government for increasing the price of petrol and diesel in the pretext of enhancing the country's economy. He questioned what the central government had done to uplift the living condition of underprivileged section and farmers of the country with the tax collected from its citizens. The secretary of the party further alleged that the BJP government is manipulating the price of petrol and diesel for business and politics. Sotin Kumar urged all citizens to rise against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, asserting that the bill is trying to convert the country into a Hindu-dominated one by bringing in Hindus' extraction of other countries. He said the bill, if implemented, will create tension among different communities residing in the country. Strongly condemning the NSCNIM's efforts to create an autonomous Naga Territorial Council against the territorial integrity of the state, Sotin Kumar asserted that such acts will not be tolerated by CPI Manipur and the people of the state.
Hiram punamukta fail oiraba Modi sarkar na leipaki resource mobilize taunaba tax yamna collection taunabagi namada petroleum product mayam se loham thoktaba mamandagi angakpa phon haigal logiba tax mayam singaduna lomi gi damda kari tawi sinmi gi damda kari tawi sokot thorang gi thabak ta kari thadai petrol se diesel se BJP gi politics taunaba moi gi khudong sab launaba vote ki shakti painaba maduna praja sindar yam sathina tamthina tawriba kaya sin oliba kaya sin mase koi khangdu lebangam.
As a part of the government's effort to carve the mandates of a non-biodegradable plastic and maintain a plastic pollution-free environment in Manipur, members of Manipur Pollution Control Board (MPCB) conducted drive and confiscated non-biodegradable polythene carry bags from Quaramban market today. A team comprising of MPCB staff and police officials led by Scientist C, MPCB, Kumanthem Tomba, confiscated non-biodegradable polythene carry bags from Ngari Gali alleyways at Quaramban market and appealed to the vendors and shopkeepers to discontinue using or selling such plastic products at the earliest. The team inspected the proportion of microns in these plastic bags and confiscated plastic carry bags below 50 microns. Speaking to media person, Scientist C. Kumanthem Tomba said plastic manufactured below 50 micron increase its durability, rendering them non-biodegradable even after a long duration. He said such products adversely affect the environment and are hazardous to aquatic plants, animals and humans. He said warnings have been served to the shopkeepers of punishment under IPC Section 15 Environmental Protection Act 1986 if they are found selling or using polythene carry bags below 50 micron. He is sure of carrying out similar drives in other places of Manipur in due time. It may be mentioned that Plastic Waste Management Rule framed in March 2016 imposes a ban on plastic below 50 microns and encourages the using of plastic below 50 microns as it is biodegradable and it can be recycled easily for future use.
Honorable Chief Minister Loktokiba amasung akhoi Honorable Chairman Manipur Pollution Control Board Shri Radhakishore ngi lamjing makhada hariba koi plastic 50 micron yogdabasing je habagi drive sum chathabani koina masi warning pirambani masi matungdadi koina 1 lakh amasung 5 years imprisonment je na piba yabagi dumba Environment Protection Act 1986 ki section 15 gi matungina sum chatharagadi ani moksu piba yabagi act gi makhada koina plastic si phagat pa hojabani koina Manipur da leiba mafam loina ba mafam chim matungna koi gi chathagani plastic je 50 micron above to the thing de madam de maduna pollution handaba haibadi reuse recycle to yabadi belu laina tang aba cost factor da yengaga thabani na mo hanna sinaba yabagi khudong chabadu leiba duna ne 50 micron ton gi mathak ta leiba ge thing de to da bu yari ge di plastic se sinadana ba ne akoina pamju.
A 2-day state-level marketing workshop for promotion and enhancement of handicraft products kicked off at Hotel Classic today. The workshop is being organized by Development Commissioner Handicrafts, Marketing and Service Extension Center under the aegis of Ministry of Textile, Government of India. Gracing the inaugural event as chief guest, Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimem Bhavananda said, despite the presence of many skilled artisans in the state, there is no substantial change in the economy due to the lack of a means of livelihood. He emphasized the need to increase quality handicraft products and promote them outside the state. Bhavananda also called on the need for a proper marketing system to sell the products. The MP also stressed the importance to know how to enhance the value of the products. Bhavananda stated, although there were once many Kauna Club Rush products in the state, it is hard to find any Kauna plants now. He maintained that it is time to plant Club Rush and promote its products outside the state. Taking part in the workshop, Assistant Director of Service Extension Center M. Sanjeev Kumar said, posts for 10 staff were sanctioned for the center established in 1978, but at present only 4 staffs are working at the center and are facing a lot of inconveniences in providing various benefits to the artisans. He lamented that the over 30 years center still has no permanent office building and that it is running in a rented room. Sanjeev Kumar drew the attention of the authority concerned to fill the lacking infrastructure of the center, which plays an important role in promoting the state's artisans.
Manipur kaktagi specific sari bapotu aina kamai toroga last scale putukpa ngamna bohona batare Manipur kaktagi specific market kaktang target toragadi akoina akhoi masin competition ata taunaraga akhoi masin ngata competition taunabada marai phaba ri khara kan ba mana hingowe ani hingowe adu maduna akhoi masin hingana bo honabada maduna akhoi masin sinabagi hana bai phim da lakadaba ana punamaksi yam deep aruba akhoi gi kitang study analysis tawra daka leibran khanjai ada sida finance yamna wari basi ai khangjai loinama hendu mouting ba mioi akhoi marma pangak che chan ngak tani sidai da bank na kara bok sidai Mogi Togdang Lobiri, Natra Kayamyana Togdang Lobibum Duri, Hibis Darka Leba.
DM College of Teachers Education Imphal in a press release informed that admission form for B.Ed course for the academic year 2018 to 19 are available at 500 rupees each. Interested individual can avail detailed information from the college notice board or the website at www.dmcte.in. The recent incessant rain in the early part of this June raised the water level of Lumfield Part and inundated several houses of the area in the flash flood. Even though flood water has receded at other places with a rising mercury, many houses in Lumfield are still found to be inundated in the flood water. Impact News found the office of Manipur Travel Development Corporation Limited not functioning efficiently as the office is still inundated by the flood water. People are facing a lot of inconveniences in this area. The stench of stored water and other waste and creating apprehension among the people of an epidemic. Inhabitants have expressed discontentment that no government medical team has visited the area. Staff of Manipur Travel Development Corporation Limited and people in the area drew the attention of the government to look into their plights.
Office ki staff sing kanam ta sang pe ade thabong ta sudre sing si phibam si smai tor phani ar sarkar na su ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯀꯥ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯈꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯄꯟꯕ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯅꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯩ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ
ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯈꯥꯏꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯍꯧ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯎꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯄꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ 1972ꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯁꯤ ꯊꯨꯝꯃꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯨꯝꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏꯊꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯒꯥꯔꯣꯝ ꯆꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯕꯦꯛ ꯍꯟꯖꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯜꯆꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯅꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏꯊꯣꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟ
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the launching of a tea-selling venture in the state called Shanghai Tea, with an aim to generate self-employment opportunity for the state's youth. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Laichombam Gopal and Pramo Enterprises, LGP Enterprises, Thangmaiban launched tea-selling venture Shanghai Tea to generate self-employment opportunity for youth in the state. Girls and boys started selling tea in different markets of Imphal today. Tea were distributed to women vendors of Kwaramban market on the opening day. Speaking on the launching event, proprietor of LGP Enterprises, Krishna Deva Laichombam said the initiative was taken to generate self-employment for unemployed youth with no means of income in the state. He also announced that the enterprise will soon provide housekeeping and housing cleaning services as well. Shanghai Tea is employing 21 youth, including 8 girls and 13 boys.
Ima Kaitel adagi akoi tribal Kaitel mayam sida akoi nupi singtana oiba cha yonbagi akoi LGP Enterprise hairiba sina akoi cha yonba thajagani adagi akoi dagi phanggadaba facility singsi house cleaning amadi housekeeping adi yumda thabak mi laijadaba singsu akoina mi pijagani thabak subagi damakta thabak phangdriba naha sing youth singda aina thabak pijabani nupi taruka akoi nupa 13 ga hauraga kunna mi kunna akoi
Manipur Library Association Mala in a press release stated that the librarian of State Central Library is not complying with the instruction issued by Art and Culture Minister through the relevant official to keep the reading room of the library open until 8 p.m. as requested by Mala to the minister. Mala drew the attention of the minister concerned to take action against the same. MLA Patsoi constituency AK Mirabai has inaugurated the newly constructed Sana Khongnang Community Hall at Awang Laikai Patsoi Part 2 in Patsoi constituency today. The inauguration ceremony was jointly organized by Patsoi Awang Development Association, Patsoi Part Women's Welfare Association and 19/5 Patsoi Unit Committee. Speaking on the occasion, Congress MLA AK Mirabai criticized the BJP government for deceiving the people with false promises. She also accused the BJP government of taking credit for all the efforts put in by the Congress government for the past many years. Stating that the BJP has failed to undertake any new developmental projects and schemes, Mirabai maintained that the people residing in remote areas of the state are still unaware of various government schemes. She also alleged that even after issuance of tender under PMGSY for repair and construction of roads, the government has failed to initiate any relevant actions. She accused the BJP government for not reaching out food security schemes to its beneficiaries and for manipulating various social media schemes meant for elderly and widows. On the other hand, MLA Mirabai is short of undertaking various developmental projects in Patsoi constituency, including construction of roads and bridges at the earliest. Former MLA Khangabo constituency, O Landhoni, and elected members of the Panchayat attended the event.
MLA local area development fundagi Chemle Haraga, Laiba, Tomom Lekai, whole Lerak. Amata Chithadana, Koila Saba Loigre, Loinana, Kanam Leraki, Ekogi, Plan Gisembam degi, Kanam Leraki, Lambi, Ayamba, Ekogi Matanga Chunaba Monda, Koila Saba Loire, Loinana, Maduga Sanana, kalbhat ama haptuna anowa aikogi chahi sigi tamgi khudonoina khanam rak loisan gre loina na lokham lerakta aikogi anoba tam sigi kalbhat ama yauna black topping tawba loikre.
A Kuki feature film entitled Ahinla Kamil De Poiwan under the banner of Kausat Film KSF Productions was released at the hall of Tribal Research Institute TRI in Chingmairom today. The film is produced by a woman from Kuki community, Unipal Babi Khongsai. She is not only the film's producer but is also the director and story writer of the romantic thriller. A music video named Manipur Band was also released on the occasion. Chonga Foundation Wangu organized an awareness program on the theme No Birds, No Life, Safe Environment for Our Future with an aim to preserve black common hupi Chonga bird at Wangu Sagolsem Laikai in Kumbi constituency today. Retired Professor of MU Dr. K.H. Samungau, Principal of Kumbi College K. Jugeshwar, Pradhans of Wangu Gram Panchayat, Borayanbi Gram Panchayat and Terakong Gram Panchayat, including members of various local clubs, attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, S.H. Bunkim maintained that if the endangered bird is not preserved in time, the future generation will not know of its existence in the next few decades. He appealed to all citizens and members of all civil society organizations to cooperate and save this bird from extinction. The body of 96-year-old Ningombam Baikul Meite from Pishum Ningom Leirak, who was reported missing since the early morning of June 18, was found at Nambul River near Kwai Ningthau Lampak Samung Road today. It is believed that he was swept away by the strong current of Nambul River after he fell into the river. Now the sports news. Two times Commonwealth Games gold medalist Sanjita Kumukcham of Manipur alleged of being victimized by false urine sample test results conducted by United States Anti-Doping Agency USADA. Sanjita alleged that the Indian Weightlifting Federation and the Manipur Weightlifting Association have failed to support her claims. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu expressed that she discovered some discrepancy in the sample numbers, assuring that she has never abused any banned substances and has always abided by the rules and regulation. Sanjita claimed that results are rigged and the reported samples belongs to another athlete. She expressed disappointment that despite repeated requests to probe into the case deeper, the Indian Weightlifting Federation and Manipur Weightlifting Association have remained silent and non-responsive. She said she has been participating in the recent Commonwealth Games and even bagged the gold medal without any hindrance from any authority. She alleged that the Vice President of Indian Weightlifting Federation and Secretary of Manipur Weightlifting Federation, Sunil Ilangbam, have remained indifferent to the matter.
Games sama yahon libani adusu open da hadi news da kaida adagi live da loin thado iba games sama ni adumba competition ama so ai yam changna yawjarure yawroba manung da January gi 9 da ai je phangye hai kare aduga April da how April tha da pangthopa kamuloi games ni si yawba mat satpa matam da nang 9 da noi gi da federation da natraga nangon da men thaba da nang nangon da phangda boyoramoi Pangdabagi oirongani nang this mana case ama laikrabani yahon sigi matang nang yawba yaroi hena thingbirakpasu laigi tengonda.
On the other hand, proletarian feminist movement Manipur stated that the association will not take the case lightly and that a discussion meet in this regard will be held on June 24th at Manipur Press Club. President of the organization, Nongthombam Sarjubala, told media person that they will give all-out efforts to bring justice to Sanjita's case and appeal to all civil society organizations, Maira Paibis and individuals to attend the leaders' meet in support of Sanjita.
Aduga ngasin matam punong ta namthabi bagi thawong sidi mamang haktak duma thengna duna lagli aduga ngasina khumuksam sanjita gi pali thungare haitare aduda ngasai gi khumuksam sanjita si nupi obani na koina nupi jingi damta tholakpa organization obani na masida magi matang sinadi pofamna lemna tharoi akoina topom thopa sabsaba thabak thong kayam pakhekani lagliba date 24 Sunday numit ki pung 13 taba matamda press club ta laikai gi club organization maira paibi na singba adagi sanaroibu support tobiba mayam punamuku meeting tawraga makhata na karamba khongjang sangsingadagi habadu kupna tananjagani.
In the ongoing Ulaanbaatar Cup Boxing Championship held in Mongolia, S.H. Sarjubala Devi of India has defeated Yongho Yu of China in the 51 kg category, and El Sarita has defeated Mongolia's Purvejev Dava in the 60 kg category respectively. Sarjubala will face Mongolia's Megmardulam and Sarjita will face Sis Yu of Chinese Taipei in the quarter-final matches tomorrow. Asian countries of India, Mongolia, China, Chinese Taipei, Korea, Iran, Russia, Democratic People's Republic of Korea, Thailand, Kazakhstan and Sri Lanka are participating at the championship, which will continue till 24th of June. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. NAB arrested 8 persons, including Chairman of Autonomous District Council Chandil, with contraband drugs estimated to be worth over 27 crore rupees. KSA volunteers and students of NG College Naranthong locked up the college against appointment of a non-local as principal of the college. Communist Party of India Manipur State holds public meeting at Iravat Bhavan today. Party slammed NDA government on various issues. And Manipur Pollution Control Board conducts drive against non-biodegradable plastic in Khwaranban market. Confiscate polythene carry bags below 50 micron.